here's everything I did to ace my 10 board exams. Number one, study at night. When you're studying at night, it's more peaceful, it's darker, it's something about the night is more study oriented. You're able to study better basically. Study at night, there's less distractions, you're able to focus better because there's nobody else around you, there's not much to do at night. So study when everyone is asleep. Number two, drink black coffee right before you start studying. Why black coffee? Because black coffee is shown to stimulate you so that you can stay awake. Now, why black coffee and why not normal coffee? Because normal coffee has milk and sugar, and that makes it like a sugary treat. So instead of doing what it's supposed to do, keep you up so that you can focus better on the studying, it actually decreases your focus and makes you kind of lethargic and lazy. Number three, use some sort of music before you start studying or when you're studying. It has to be low background, and it should be something that you don't bob your head to, because if you're enjoying and you're listening to music, you're actually listening to music and you're not studying. Number four, don't eat something heavy right before studying, because when you start studying at night and when it's very nice and cozy in your bed and you have a lot of food in your stomach, you start to get sleepy and you start to lose focus.